for joining us today at our Broaster test kitchen. This is our VF-3 ventless fryer with the built-in Ansel, and it does not require a hood system. It will fry up to 3 pounds of product per batch. It has our built-in Smart Touch screen controller with programmable library of frying presets. Simply hit a button and the basket will automatically lower, and once that timer runs out, it will automatically come back up, and you just take the frying product straight out. So it's fully automatic. Great for entertaining venues like bars, bowling alleys, pool halls, small cafes, food trucks, and any place else that does not want to go through the expense of adding a hood system. So today we are doing sides. We have onion rings, sweet potato fries, and mozzarella sticks. So once again, we're going to get started. I'm going to pull the basket out. Handle should be cold, not hot to the touch, but warm. We'll put our onion rings in the basket. We have our onion ring preset. All right guys, so our onion rings are done. All right, well, we're gonna do our mozzarella sticks next. And the mozzarella sticks are gonna go in for 2 minutes. And we hit start. All right guys, so our mozzarella sticks are done. The basket has automatically raised. And we are going to, and they are perfectly done. So, next we are going to do our sweet potato fries. Just trying to break. All right. And the fries, it's a 4.5 minute cook time. And we're going to start. Alrighty, so our sweet potato fries are done. Once again, the handle is warm to the touch, but not hot. Alrighty, and then we have 3 completely nicely fried sides. We have onion rings, we have sweet potato fries, and we have mozzarella sticks.